National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for South Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bass River State Forest, 18 miles north of Atlantic City, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Tuckerton, Bass River State Forest, and Mystic Island. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 53 and 61. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.